up and give more on this, no? And here. Thank you. Thank you for inviting me to give the welcome remarks on this important issue, the RH bill. That is how I really wanted to start, with a thank to all of you. I would like to thank each one of you for the time and presence and for being a part of this forum entitled To Pill or Not to Pill. P-I-L-L, no? A closer look on House Bill 5043. House Bill number 5043 was presented to Congress by Honorables Edsel Silagman, Janet L. Garin, Narciso D. Santiago III, Mark Landro Mendoza, Ana Teresia Hontiveros Barangel, and Elandro Jesus F. Madrona, as substitution HB numbers 17812, 2753, and 3917. This House bill became popularly known as RH Bill. This bill, or Reproductive Health or Population Development Act of 2008, stated that the government upholds and promotes responsible parenthood, informed choice, birth spacing, and respect for life in conformity with internationally recognized human rights standards. From what we saw in the news, this RH bill has become a highly debated issue in the country. Individuals and groups, including lawmakers, political analysts, religious personalities, and even the ordinary Juan de la Cruz are divided on this topic. From my readings, there are 7 RH bills. 6 House bills are authored by 4 congressmen and 2 congresswomen. While at the Senate, 1 senator filed a Senate bill on reproductive health. It was last January 31, 2011, when the House of Representatives Committee on Population and Family Relations decided to consolidate all the 6 RH House bills. If both houses of the legislature filed their own version of RH bills, this further accentuated the significance of passing a law that will govern this subject. We hope that today we will have more information through this forum about the controversial bill. Let us be active participants in this forum. As we listen to our invited resource persons, may we all have to have a clear grasp of the topic, which we will use to stand by what we believe is right and beneficial for all of us. With this, we can make our informed choice and assiduous decision regarding the said bill. At this point, I would like to thank our organizer, the Social Transformation for Advocacy and Reform, known as STAR, for responding to the call of the time and putting a forum like this. Finally, as Lasallians, may we all become not only productively healthy, but also actively responsible as parents and would-be parents. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagdalo. Animo Lasal.